Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in this video I'll be showing you how I installed this V-part wig and styled it. In this video I am working with Hurela Hair Company. I'm just showing you guys what I received in my package. So I got some good stuff like a melt band, a bonnet, a brush, some eyelashes, wig caps, satin bags, and of course I got the wig itself. So this wig is a jerry curl wig. It is 18 inches and 250 density. So this is how the inside of the wig looks. So these are the clips that you attach onto your hair. There is 4 of them. We have 2 combs at the side. There is 1 comb at the back. It also comes with the adjustable bands. And it also has another band that you can use. So that is great. So I'm just showing you guys how the wig looks. These are the curls. Honestly, these curls were so nice. So these are jerry curls, as you can see. So jumping straight into this install, my hair is already washed and flat ironed. So I'm going to go ahead and install this wig. So first things first, I'm going to use my tail comb and part out my middle part because that's the part I will be doing today. Next, I'll be measuring one side of the wig for my part. As you can see, that's what I did. I used the back of the tail comb to measure it just so I know that my part is long enough, and I'm going to slant it in a slim V part, so it's just a slant, and I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. So my parting looks like a V and there's not much leave out. So realistically with these wigs, you can do a leave out or you don't even have to do a leave out, but I love doing leave outs. So that's what I'm doing now. And I will also be leaving out the sides of my hair because I did want to catch it up into pigtails, as you seen at the beginning of the video. So now that I've put to the side everything I'm leaving out, I'm just going to comb my hair down into a low ponytail. So you do want to make sure if you're not putting in braids, your hair is flat. Then for my ends, I'm going to be just lifting it up and using a bobby pin to just keep it in place. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this wig on. So I'm just going to hook back this band onto the wig. And this band is honestly just for extra security. So I always bring my wig up from the back and bring it to the top. So with the clips, you want to open them up by pressing the sides, and you're going to stick it into your hair, the comb part, and then you're going to close it by pushing down the sides. And it is as easy as that. So now I am just untwisting my leave out portion and I'm going to put it on top. So as you can see now, you really don't see anything. Although there's not much of a track on these wigs, I just like my natural hair being on top. Right here, I'm just pulling down the wig and I'm using the two combs that were at the side and I'm just putting it through the side of my hair. That way it holds better, and it actually felt better after I did this as well. So guys, I'm going in with my Paris hair wax stick and I'm using this to blend my hair in with the curly hair. So I'll be using my little travel size crimper. I purchased this crimper at a Sally's beauty supply store. So yeah, I'll try to have it down in the description box below just in case you guys would like to check them out as well. But I'm just going ahead and I'm going to be crimping all my leave out with piece of the curly hair to have a better blend.
It's all a bluff. It's all a bluff. It's sad you never thought I was good enough, but I called you Ace your kingdom and it's all a bluff. I've been thinking, 'cause I don't wanna waste my precious time. Always looking for the next best thing. Do it on your own this time around. So all you lucky ones, what up? You're always on the run, what up? I mean, don't get me wrong, but what up? Or was I not the one you dreamt of? No, 'cause the life we live will never be enough. Why don't you stop for a minute? Just relax yourself. This moment will never come back again. It's sad you never thought I was good enough, but I called you Ace your kingdom and it's all a bluff. It's all a bluff. It's all a bluff.
Alright guys, so now that my leave out is all crimped, I'm just going through and combing it with my hands just for a better blend. So this is how it is looking. I could have honestly left the hair like this and it would have been fine. Like, I loved how this curly hair looked and it looked really natural, especially with the length. But I did decide to go ahead and try out a different style. So as you can see, I was in the process. I was kind of frustrated, to be honest, but I was trying to give this wig a different look because I feel like I always just style it plain and leave it. So at this point I decided I was gonna do those two little pigtails at the top. So that's exactly what you see me doing now. I'm just combing my hair into two because remember I already had the middle part, and I'm gonna use these small black rubber bands to hold it in place. And if you are doing this, you want to make sure that when you are catching the hair up into a ponytail that you're holding onto the hair tight because it will loosen. So be careful of that. So guys, once I got my two pigtails, they were super cute. I decided to comb out some hairs so that I could have a little bit of baby hairs going on. So I'm going in with the edge booster edge control, and I'm going to do 2 swoops on the side of my hair and also some sideburns. So guys, I'm just freshening up my crims after I catched it up. Like, you know, it gave it a little messy look, so I decided to go back in with my crimper and just freshen up the crims a little bit. But this is basically how the style looked. I thought it was super cute. So now I'm going in with my gloss spray to give it some shine. You know how that goes. Then of course the olive oil spray. You guys need to check out my Amazon storefront so you guys can catch on to all the beauty supplies that I use. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like, I love that you can do other things with wigs. So, you know, I'm all here for it. Don't forget to check out Hurela Hair Company. Shout out to them for sponsoring this video. I love this look. It was so cute. Like, I can't stop saying how cute it was. But all the hair details will be down in the description box below. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.